Future of Bangalore real estate market in 2025. Is 2025 good for Bangalore real estate market? Let's dive into the details. Hi, I am Sanjay Kothari and you are watching Value Post Cafe. Bangalore, the Silicon Valley of India, is the fastest growing real estate market after Mumbai and NCR. Approximately 8 lakh of people come to the city annually for jobs and opportunities, fueling the booming real estate market in Bangalore. Why Bangalore real estate is thriving in 2025? The first thing is the pleasant weather and aggressive economic and social development, which make Bangalore more attractive to investors. The property in Bangalore give constant capital and rental appreciation, unlike any other real estate market. Secondly, most real estate transactions are transparent and legal, which keep the market balanced and prevents dramatic price fluctuation in the properties. As the Bangalore market is dominated by IT industry, most of our transactions are in white, unlike other cities where most real estate transactions are in cash or black. Most of India's reputed real estate developer such as Prestige, Brigade, Shobha and Embassy all are from Bangalore. So these companies deliver innovative and high quality developments in Bangalore real estate business. Most product-based companies are entering the market, increasing individual buying capacity. The presence of global companies makes Bangalore the hub of opportunities. On the other hand, 89 upcoming tech parks will ready to start operation in the city, which will help real estate development. What upcoming infrastructure development boosts the city in terms of a real estate business? What are upcoming infrastructure development that's going to boost the real estate? The Satellite Town Ring Road is being constructed around Bangalore. The road has 8-lane access, control highway and 2-lane service road facilities. It will connect outer part of Bangalore. The Peripheral Ring Road is a proposed 12-lane ring road around Bangalore. This will surely reduce the traffic congestion throughout the city in the coming 2 to 3 years. This road will be in between of Satellite Town Ring Road and Outer Ring Road. It will help you to ease out traffic congestion. This will connect the extreme part of Nice Road at Tumkur to the Nice Road of Electronic City and cover one circle. Most importantly, extended metro connectivity to the city and airport significantly impact the real estate business. Coming 5 years, it will be much more convenient to travel to any part of the city by metro. 2027, you will see the airport metro is getting functional. In 2025, the BBMP will start the 18-kilometer underground tunnel road connecting Hebbal to Central Silk Board. So you are going to have better connectivity from South Bangalore to North Bangalore. Kampagoda International Airport will also extend to Terminal 3 to manage growing air traffic. It will help to boost the entire north part of the Bangalore real estate. It is well understood how Bangalore will develop after completion of such projects. Now let's understand what are upcoming projects which will boost real estate demand. The strategic infrastructure project and close proximity to upcoming IT projects and airport make North Bangalore ideal for real estate investment and growth. Karnataka government's plans to establish Queen City 60 km from Bangalore to offer residential, commercial and mixed-use space. Queen City will have knowledge, healthcare, innovation and research district. Karnataka government revealed the plan to develop a Swift City near Bangalore, Sajapura, to enhance the startup ecosystem in Bangalore. So you will see the demand of real estate in east part of the Bangalore will grow. Bangalore Aerocity is a part of visionary plan to transform the area around Kampagoda International Airport into a bustling urban hub. Bangalore Aerocity will have business park, retail, dining, entertainment, hospitality, and you will see a development of 5,200 hotels, room, healthcare and education. And not only that, India's first dedicated concept arena is coming. Why to invest in Bangalore? Bangalore is one of the fastest growing cities in the world and offer multiple economic opportunities and facilities for your personal growth. Most importantly, considering the current data in the city is one of the safest cities in India. So the improved quality of life make it a standout choice for families and professionals. So if you are thinking of investing in Bangalore real estate market, do not think twice. Invest now, step into one of India's more dynamic and future ready cities. If you have more questions, connect with us and we will help you to find the property that is appropriate for you. If you like the video, do comment and share. If you have more questions and confused where to buy a property in Bangalore real estate, consult with us. Book your consultation appointment. Thank you.